Next, we will explain how to create a new printing task. After receiving a production task, we can directly create a new task. In the CPU window, find the Task Management menu and enter it. Click on the Create New Task button below to enter the New Task Management menu. On the right side of the screen, you will see 4 process options: Task, Printing, Materials, Ink Color Data, and Ink Color Allocation. We click the first task button, and when we enter, we will see the 4 process options displayed above, indicating that we have entered the printing task creation program. Simply follow the program instruction to complete the task data input step by step. First, enter the task number in the first column. The task series in the second column. The task name in the third column. And the custom name in the fourth column. You can also leave other relevant information in the last column. After completion, click Next to enter the printing material setting interface. According to the requirements of the construction order, we can input information such as length, width, thickness, and paper type of the printing paper. Select the side gauge we need to use. And click Next after completing the settings. Enter the ink color data interface. Click on Create Ink Color to enter. And here you can create printing colors. We use regular black, cyan, magenta, and yellow for 4-color printing. Click this button to reset the printing 4-color by default. After completion, click the Composition button to return the previous interface. At this time, the interface will display the ink area and ink fountain roller rotation amplitude of the selected 4-color. Now we can set our ink area, ink volume, and ink fountain roller rotation percentage according to the graphic and task situation of each color on the printing layout. You can set them through the ink button on the control panel, or through the plus and minus signs in the bottom right corner of the screen. After setting, click Next to enter the ink color allocation interface. It will be displayed at the top of the screen that the printing colors we set earlier, namely black, cyan, magenta, and yellow. Here we can allocate the 4 colors to the corresponding printing units according to printing needs. After the allocation is completed, click the Composition button to enter the task preparation interface again. Check and ensure that each task program is selected. At this point, we have completed the task information input. Click on the Permission task, and the machine will run, automatically configuring some of the information we set. At this point, the task creation is completed. How can we retrieve the task we have already stored? We can select a task we need to retrieve from the stored file library. For example, if we want to retrieve the JH10.9-1 file, light it up, click on the bottom right corner to enter the task, and the relevant information of the task will be displayed in the jump interface. We can also modify the task information on the right side as needed, and then click on the Permission task in the bottom right corner. The interface will jump to the task content that the machine will allow and click the Start button to complete the task retrieval.